As we have mentioned before, getting the right amount of power to your fans and heaters can be a tricky process. So here's some helpful tips to follow to make sure your project runs more efficiently. First off, use a high-powered outlet in the apartment or home with an AC Works brand adapter. By doing this, you can run several extension cords from a dryer or range outlet to your heaters and fans. Now you won't have to worry about tripping a breaker and having a delay in the drying process. If a high-powered outlet isn't available, use household outlets that are far apart or in different rooms. With this, you'll obviously have to use extension cords too. Another helpful tool is the circuit breaker finder. This device allows you to identify which outlets share the same circuit. First off, it is helpful to have something electrical plugged into the sockets. The higher the load, the easier it will be to identify. Plug the transmitter in and use the receiver to scan over the outlets in the room. If the receiver has a steady beep, then those outlets share the same breaker. Sometimes the receiver will beep only once or twice. Again, this depends on the load of electricity being used and the quality of this device. If the receiver remains silent, it's a different circuit breaker. This device also works by leaving the transmitter in an outlet and going over to the breaker box itself to scan over each individual breaker. When the receiver is over the matching breaker, it will beep. With these tips, restoring a home or apartment after a flood will go much smoother. Like, comment, subscribe, see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.